Ever felt a house winking at you? I think I found your match. You'll love this beautiful 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath home with a finished basement. It has new paint, new carpet, and newly refinished hardwood floors, and lots of other upgrades. This home is located in Firebrook subdivision, home of one of Lexington's best 4th of July fireworks shows, and it features a clubhouse, 2 pools, 2 ponds, and more. Feeling that heart fluttering yet? Reach out to tell me what's calling you home.